Hey, quick check-in on Tesla. Um, so not a whole lot of movement today. Tesla did hold this very strong level at 265 today, which was a nice hold. And then it also held this 268 level. But, um, ooh, this candle, yikes. Um, that is a harami. Um, and yeah, ooh, let me see. Um, what is this candle telling us? um, this is a bullish harami, if I'm not mistaken. Um, and this is because this is an insight candle, and it's green, and the previous candle was red. Ooh, we could get a nice move up tomorrow. So on that harami, let me just start over. Hey y'all, checking in on Tesla, the big homie. I like Tesla still for upside. I do. It's been a little bit weak here, but I just see cup and handle here. And there's a few things that I really liked as I'm looking at the daily chart. We bounced off of this 265 level, and then again today, which I like. But this is a bullish harami. This candle setup right here. So I want to see if we're going to break out of this downtrend. Now 275 has been giving Tesla the business. um, in the past back here, it was resistance, and then yeah, then it became support. And so I would anticipate that we get some pushback right here. But if CPI is kind, then I think Tesla can really get that bigger move. Um, I want to also pay attention to 277 because this has been a very strong level as well. Um, and my darker levels actually come from the bigger chart, bigger than the 1 month. Sometimes I go crazy and I go to like the 3 month, the 6 month. I love it. But these levels are very strong, and um, I want to see what I just want to see what happens at 277. As well, earnings are just a week away. Um, so a lot can happen. There's a lot of wild cards in there, and the technical analysis could mean nothing. But I still would like to see um, if on a pullback, let's just say CPI is not kind. I'd like to see if Tesla holds 265, if not 265, if it can hold here at like 261, 261.50, like right around there, or if it can just hold this entire zone between 257 and 261. Now, again, this is from a huge time frame that I charted this. So, just be mindful of that. But we also hung out around here a lot. So I'm paying attention to that. If we get good news on CPI, then I want to see if we finally, get the move up to 275. And, this move up can happen during pre market. So we may not, I don't know, depending on how significant it is, we might miss it if the market is not, open yet and it already gets a significant move. Um, But I want to see if we get back up to 272, 274, and if we really go crazy, 277. Um, so hopefully, even if we do get good news, Tesla will allow us to get a retest at 275 if it opens above it. That'd be a nice move if it opened above it. But hopefully it lets us get a retest, and then definitely want to see if we can clear 277 to see more upside. Um, yeah, so that is so far what I am looking at. Also, just want to get over to the 4 hour. And yeah, there's a level like right here on the 4 hour at 270. So I would add that to my chart as well. I'll make it a dash line since it's intraday. So yeah, um, that is what I'm looking at on Tesla. I don't even know that I want to look at it. It depends on how the IV is looking. The IV on Tesla generally is already high, but then going into earnings, CPI, all that, like, I don't know, it has to be worth it. So I'll just be watching that. But also just look at this hold on the 4 hour. Come on. Like, that's beautiful. So, anyhow, that's what my thoughts are on Tesla.